All right, today I'm gonna be making a cigar carrying case or a cigar travel case, and I want to say that I lost a lot of footage, so some of this video may not make no sense, and some of it's gonna be really sorry video, but I put it together the best I could with what I had, and so this is gonna be made out of African mahogany, and I'm just cutting it down here. And I'm going to be using the joinery on this is just going to be some very large box joints. And what I'm doing here is marking out those joints, what I'm going to cut away and what I'm going to keep. And here you're going to see in a second, I'm going to put an X where I'm going to be cutting away. And I'm setting my dado stack here to the proper height. And the one with the X's is the parts that's going to get cut away. And these are the side pieces here, and obviously the middle part is going to be cut away. And now I'm just measuring for the top and bottom piece. As of yet, those pieces haven't been glued together, just stuck together with friction. And now I'm gluing those pieces up. And it's a fairly tight fit, so I use the clamps to help me squeeze everything into place. And two woods that are normally used for humidors or for travel humidors is either Spanish cedar or mahogany. And I didn't have the Spanish cedar, so this is why I went ahead and went with the African mahogany. Those two woods are good at holding moisture, and then also there's a certain scent in the woods that kills any cigar beetles that may be infesting the cigars. And here I'm just using my disc sander to get everything nice and evened up. So coming up is where I lost a lot of footage. So I'm just going to try to explain this to you the best I can. So I cut it where I wanted the body and the lid to be separated at. And then after I cut it, I took my dado stack and then I cut a shoulder. And then after cutting that shoulder, I took the top piece over to the router table and used the router bit to carve out a lip on the inside so it would slide over the top of the shoulder. And this will give it a nice tight friction fit, help keep it airtight. So once again, I tried using my my GoPro on my headgear, and it's just why it's so shaky and everything. I won't do that again. I'm just cleaning up the lips, and here's the finished product. I also lost the footage of me wood burning the initials onto this. So there you have it, a wooden cigar carrying case.